Hi everybody, my name is Hannah. In my channel, I do talk about Excel formulas and also quick tricks and help you guys out on your professional or business roles you guys have. Today, I am going to talk about VLOOKUP versus XLOOKUP. Um, I see a lot of people debating on both two function. Today, let's see which one works out for you. Okay, so I'm just gonna insert a row in here, and then I'm gonna call. This is where I will do the VLOOKUP, and here I'll do the XLOOKUP. Okay. If you remember on my previous video, I I did talk about how to do uh, formatting text the way you like it. I just want to repeat that, so you could just do equal sign upper, right, and then click here, right, so that way I can change all caps, or you can type it in all caps just to refresh your memories. How I use the upper and lower in the videos. Okay, so we're gonna use a VLOOKUP here and then an XLOOKUP. Okay, so here is my order number and I have the data here. I'm going to show you how to do a VLOOKUP. I have a video how to use a VLOOKUP. You are more than welcome to go and look those videos. Okay, so I'm sorry guys, I have a cold. Equal sign VLOOKUP. Okay, and I'm look for this order in this table. Okay, so I'm just highlighting the whole thing, and then I'm trying to get the name. So 1 2 is where the number at. Okay, number 2 and then 0. Okay, so this 1 1 2 1 13 1 3 is John. Okay, so you could do a VLOOKUP and get the names just this way. Okay, so this is how we do VLOOKUP, and I have videos like I was saying how to do VLOOKUP. Now let's come to and see how we use XLOOKUP. So equal sign X lookup. Okay, I'm using the order number, comma. So when it comes to XLOOKUP, we're gonna use a two different table. Well, it's gonna be in the same data, which is this is the data I'm going to use, but I'm creating two tables. So since I'm trying to get the order number, that will be, I'm just gonna highlight it from all the way here. It will be 1 comma, and then I am going to use the name and phone number. Okay, and I'm gonna say, let's say if I don't have it, I'm gonna say not listed. Okay, if you guys notice here, you see NA, which means those order are not in this database we are using. So in a VLOOKUP, the result will be NA. But when we do an XLOOKUP, it's gonna show you not listed. Okay, And one thing you need to look at it here is when you do XLOOKUP, what is the next thing you see? The phone number, which is John phone number is right here. Uh, in VLOOKUP, you're not gonna see that result because we're just using apple to apple kind of formula. In here, okay, you need John. I can give you, since we remember we captured two datas, right? So right here from B to C, okay, and it will give you the phone number also. One thing you can also do, you can actually change this B to C. You can actually change that to uh, let's see, what is it? I can change it to F. Okay, I can change this to F, and then you can see I get the phone number, the email number, and then the items. Okay, so I'm just gonna drag the whole all the way to here, and then now you can able to see even the date. So if we just need to format to see the date, okay, I'll just change the dates in here. Okay, so using XLOOKUP, all you just make sure you are using two different tables, and then you can get all the results you want in one just formula. Versus in VLOOKUP, you have to do it one by one. So I get the name. Now if I want the phone number, I have to go and do a VLOOKUP equal sign VLOOKUP, okay, and then click the order, and also go and get from order. Then now I'm using uh, the phone number, so I'll use 1 to 3, right? So equal 3 and 0. Okay, so this is how you get a phone number. But in XLOOKUP, I don't need to do that. I can get the phone number, the email, the item number, and also the dates in one just formula I use. And that is the difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUp. I use both. Uh, the only thing I would say, like as a conclusion, uh, XLOOKUP is definitely an improvement to the VLOOKUP, and replace a lot of bypass that you don't have to reply to get to VLOOKUP. But one thing I see is it's in the new version, and a lot of people might not have that if you're not updating to your Excel, and you might not gonna see that XLOOKUP function. And especially when you send it to a people, like if you are using this formula and send it to someone, it might come up wrong because if they don't have that version. That's just the only thing I notice. But beside that, I love the XLOOKUP because it makes my job a lot easier, and I don't have to go through one by one. I could just do it what I want in one formula. All right, guys. Hopefully this has helped. Thank you so much for your time and likes. I appreciate it. I'll see you guys to my next video. Have a good one.